Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the first half of September 2024. The 4th and 11th of September 2024. Sensitization on sexual harassment and drug awareness program. In separate sessions held for the teaching staff, non-teaching staff and students, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, in lines with the directive from the state government and the district administration, sensitized the stakeholders on the need to stay informed about occurrences of sexual violence and drug abuse both indoors and outdoors. Addressing incidents of drug abuse and sexual harassment through audiovisual media, the principal held the view that there was no excuse for ignorance. Sensitizing the participants about complaint mechanism and toll-free numbers, she also insisted that sexual harassment is totally unacceptable and that drugs either taken due to compulsion or fun must be avoided, and that such incidents should be brought to the knowledge of the authorities so that preventive measures could be initiated. The 5th of September 2024, Teachers' Day celebration. Teachers' Day celebration in our college began with the Holy Mass. In a show of respect to teachers, the Student Council on behalf of the students made elaborate arrangement for the celebration. As the teachers walked up to the venue, a meaningful activity, thumbprint on the canvas, signifying life and rejuvenation, and a gala of performances awaited them, ensuring entertainment and bright new cheer. The 9th of September 2024, Tech Fest 24. In commemoration of the Programmers' Day celebration, the Department of Computer Science organized Tech Fest 24, featuring a series of competitions like coding, poster presentation, debugging, pixel link, byte the word, and more, attracting enthusiastic student participation. On the same day, the students of the Department of Zoology, as part of the Land to Lab initiative, visited Mambalatturayar Reservoir, studied the biodiversity of insects in areas adjoining the reservoir using quadrant method, observed the shola grasslands and trees, learned to perform water analysis using analysis kit, and were trained to appreciate the iconic diversity of Western Ghats. The 11th of September 2024, Campus Recruitment Drive. 83 students participated in the preliminary rounds of the Ascender on-campus placement drive, of which 39 students have been shortlisted for the upcoming communication and HR interview rounds. On the same day, in a celebration organized by the Department of Chemistry, warm and jubilant Onam festivities found its resonance at the college. Leading the way, legendary King Mahabali made an entry and delighted the audience donned in traditional attire. Joining the festive spirit, dance and song performances by young talents kept alive the fresh charm of the festival. The 13th and 14th of September 2024, the celebration of the exaltation of the Holy Cross. The management, staff and students, together with the Sisters of the Cross, celebrated the liturgical feast of the Holy Cross Day, or Exaltation of the Holy Cross, to honor the cross on which Jesus Christ was crucified. Dr. Sister Lima Rose, the Mother Superior of Holy Cross Convent, gave a special address highlighting the significance of the cross in providing hope and life. As part of the celebrations, an enthusiastic team of volunteers from among the teaching, non-teaching, and student fraternities showcase meaningful performances from the Bible and life of saints. A Eucharistic celebration was held on 14th of September 2024 at the chapel. After the Holy Mass, the Sisters of the Holy Cross College community affectionately hosted a lunch for the management, staff, and retirees of the institution. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.